So finally the wait is over and the OneUi 8.5 update is finally out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series in almost every country. Today in this video we'll talk about some top changes and features that you guys should must try out. By the way, if you haven't already, so you can update it by simply going into the settings, then tapping on software update, then tap on download and install. You can get to see this new update available, which is around 4.4 gigabytes in size with the security patch level of 5th April. I will also keep a OneUi 8 device on the side so you can check that what changes are there. So first change that you will notice that the UI is completely changed and you get to see this pill-like menu bar or search option in almost every app. For example, in the settings app, this was the OneUi 8 search bar, and if you talk about the OneUi 8.5, that has this pill-like option now. A similar pill-like option is available in the calls app as well, and if we talk about the search bar, so that is available in the pill form as well. Not only that, the menu bar in the clock application is also changed into that pill-like menu bar. Let me know your thoughts about this pill-like menu bar in the comment section below. And if you talk about the calculator app, so the calculator app has also changed a lot. If you check it side by side, you can get to see this glow effect when you tap the buttons, and the animations have also changed. Next up, in the notification panel, you will get to see this jiggle effect whenever you will swipe the notifications. This jiggle effect was not present in the OneUi 8 update. Next up, in the gallery app, if you tap on this Galaxy AI icon, so the menu bar has changed completely, as you guys can see. This new menu bar looks a lot more easy to use, and you also get to see this new option of create, by which you can type and add anything that you want. Next up, if you want to customize your control panel, so that has many options available now. Simply tap on this icon over here and you can customize your control panel the way you like it. There are a lot of customizations available with this new OneUi 8.5 update that were missing on the OneUi 8 update. In the control panel, the slider effect of the volume and the brightness bar has also changed. This new one feels smoother while the older one feels outdated. Next up, if you go into the settings of your device, then if you search for the updates, so that section has also changed. After tapping on software update, you will get to see this OneUi 8.5 animation and check for updates option, which is brand new now. The previous OneUi 8 one looked like this. Next up, you get to see an audio eraser feature when you are watching reels on Instagram or whichever app. Simply swipe down, then tap on this audio eraser, then turn it on. This feature will remove the unwanted voice from the background. Next up, if you want to screen record a particular part of the phone, so that is also possible now. Simply tap on screen recording, then tap on partial screen. Now it will only record that particular part that is available in this box. Simply select it, then tap on record and the recording will start. Next up, in the call, after tapping on settings, you get to see this new option of call screening available. This is a new call assistant feature that you guys can try out with this new OneUi 8.5 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the top changes and features available with the new OneUi 8.5 update that you guys can try out on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yes, I used the S26 Ultra in this video, but all of these features are available for the S25 Ultra as well. By the way, if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.